So today I'll be sharing with you my everyday makeup routine and going step by step on how to create this simple makeup look. I'll be using some new products that I've been absolutely loving and use almost every day to create this everyday makeup look. So without further ado, go ahead and grab your makeup and let's get into it. So I'm gonna start off with my current favorite moisturizer, which is the COVERGIRL Clean Fresh Skincare Moisturizer. This is one of my current favorites because it feels really hydrating on the skin. It literally makes my skin feel like I just fed it a lot of water, but I really like it because it doesn't leave any oils on my skin, so it literally just feels hydrated, not oily. So it's a weightless water cream that locks in hydration on your skin for 72 hours. So I feel like this is great for all skin types, even if you have oily skin or if you just have dry skin or dehydrated skin. So of course I like to make sure that my skin is really hydrated and really moisturized because makeup tends to dehydrate your skin. So you always want to make sure that if you're gonna wear makeup or you're gonna do an everyday makeup routine, you definitely want to make sure that your skin is being fed the moisture that it needs. So I'm gonna use a hydrating jelly primer. I'm gonna use this one by NYX Cosmetics. This is the Bear With Me Jelly Primer. And one thing I like about this primer is that it applies on my skin like a moisturizer, but it literally helps to mattify my skin so that it doesn't appear oily before I put on my makeup. So I like to just place this on top of the moisturizer. So I'm gonna go in with eye cream, and the one that I've been loving is this I Do Care Glow Key Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. Now this eye cream does have a little bit of shimmer, so you definitely want to be careful if you're not somebody who likes any shimmer under your eyes. It doesn't have too much, it just has a little bit of shimmer. So it comes with this ball applicator that you can use to blend out the eye cream. So because I have really dark under eyes, I like to use this eye cream under my eyes to help brighten it up. So it's great if you have dark circles or you just have really dry and dehydrated under eyes. And whenever you apply concealer, your concealer tends to crease because your under eyes are dry. This eye cream is literally a holy grail for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and mist my face to lock in all this hydration. So I'm gonna go in with the Milani Make It Last Sunscreen Setting Spray. So I love that this has an SPF of 30 and it's really hydrating on the skin. So this is going to allow the makeup to blend much better on my skin. All right, now that we're done with skin prep, we're gonna move on to complexion. So I'm gonna start off with color correcting my skin. I'm gonna use this MAC Studio Fix Conceal Corrector palette. I love this palette because it literally has everything. It has a corrector, it has concealer shades, and it has contour shades, and it has all of them for different undertones, which is why I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna start by grabbing this orange corrector shade. Then I like to just press that at the back of my hand. Then I like to mix it with this shade right here because this is closer towards my skin color. This is gonna give me that perfect correcting color for my skin tone and my undertone. So I like to start off by color correcting my under eyes and my mouth area. I feel like this is important because it really just gives you a smooth base when you apply your foundation. So with color correction, you definitely want to go in with a small amount. Then you want to take a beauty blender and blend that on your skin. This is going to help balance that darkness and discoloration on your skin to give your skin one color so you don't have to apply too much foundation, especially if you're doing an everyday makeup routine. All right, so now I'm going to apply foundation, and for foundation I'm going to use the NYX Born to Glow foundation. Now because we applied color corrector, I'm just going to go in with about one pump of foundation, but I'm gonna focus this foundation on the perimeter of my face just to make sure that I'm not applying too much. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with a beauty sponge. I like to focus around my cheeks area just to help neutralize my skin. I love this foundation because it's a naturally radiant foundation, so it leaves my skin looking like skin, so it's perfect to wear every single day to give you that natural and skin-like look. And it's also a tube foundation. You can even apply it with your fingers if you wish. So I like to mix two shades just to get that perfect match. So I'm gonna use the shade Sienna, then I'm gonna mix it with the shade Mocha. So for concealer, using the Studio Fix palette, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And with that shade, I'm gonna place it on the inner portion of my eye to help brighten up my eye area. I'm also gonna place this down the bridge of my nose to give my skin a natural contour, and on my forehead, and a little bit on my chin area. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with a beauty sponge. And as you can see, that concealer literally just gave my skin immediate dimension, and it just helps to brighten up your skin. All right, so now it's time to contour. So I'm gonna use the same cream palette ahead and grab this contour shade right here. Using that shade, I'm just gonna place that right where I want to contour. I love this contour because it's very soft and subtle on the skin. It's not too much, it's not too pigmented. So even if you apply too much, it's just like really easy to blend, and it also acts as a bronzer on your skin. So I'm also gonna place that on my forehead and my temples. And this is gonna help give your skin dimension. And I also like to place this on my jawline to structure that area. All right, so next I'm gonna apply a cream blush before I apply any powder on my skin, because cream blushes just apply way better on top of other cream products before you set your skin. So I'm gonna use this Kaja Saucy Cheeky Stamp. So I've been seeing this product everywhere and I had to get it, and I ordered it from the Flip app. So basically the Flip app is a new beauty app where you can get to shop over 500 beauty brands. You can even get like inspiration for like makeup looks and stock up on like essentials that you need. But the thing I like about the Flip app is that you can get to watch a review of somebody using the product before you purchase. So I've placed like 2 orders already, and this blush stamp is one of the products, as well as other products I'll be using today. So if you're not somebody who likes pigmented blushes, this blush is perfect. And the thing I love about Flip is that every review is verified and authentic. And they also have a beauty rewards program that rewards you even when you don't buy anything. So you literally make money by just scrolling, shopping, voting, or even posting your own reviews. You can earn rewards that save you up to 30% off on every purchase. So definitely check out Flip to up your beauty shopping game, or download the free app for free today. Go to flip.shop/LJ and save 30% on your first order with my code LJ. And I want to give a huge thank you to Flip for partnering with me in this portion of today's video. So basically the blush comes with the stamp, and then on this side it comes with the blush product. So what you do is you stamp the blush like this, then you just go ahead and apply the blush, and it's a heart-shaped blush stamp. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out with a brush, and this blush is actually perfect for everyday makeup looks. It's really soft on the skin, it's not like too rich or pigmented. So this blush is definitely buildable, so you can add more if you wish. Because I like really pigmented blushes with my everyday makeup routines, I do like to apply about 4 stamps on each cheek. From the Flip app, I also got this Youthforia color changing blush. So this is basically like a liquid blush oil that you can apply on your skin, and it's gonna turn into a blush color. But because I've already applied blush, I'm gonna use this as a lip oil. So it's color changing, so I like to apply it on my lips to give it a really nice pink shade. So this is perfect if you have dark lips and you really want to help neutralize your lip color so that it can match your actual lipstick or lip gloss that you want to apply. All right, so now it's time to set the skin. So I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance True Complexion setting powder. So I'm gonna use a powder puff and press on that powder, and I'm gonna use that to set my under eyes. I usually like using a very lightweight powder and a very small amount. This is going to prevent your under eyes from feeling dry, and I've actually been loving using this powder puff. It's just so much faster in setting your skin, and it literally gives you a really nice smooth set. So I'm basically setting all the areas I applied concealer and just the areas of my skin that have that shininess. And as you can see, this powder literally just instantly sets your skin. It helps to absorb all those oils and gives you like that natural skin-like finish. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. And for eyebrows, I like to like take maximum of 2 minutes to do my eyebrows. So what I like to do is use an eyebrow pen. So I'm using this one by Milani. This is like my go-to eyebrow pen. I use this all the time. Basically, I like to just draw out natural eyebrow hairs. This just allows me to become a little bit faster when I'm doing my eyebrows, because I know sometimes when it comes to eyebrows, you want to perfect it because your eyebrows are literally what structures your face. It's like the most important thing when it comes to your makeup. So if your eyebrows are messed up, I feel like your whole makeup look is messed up. So I really like this eyebrow pen because it's really hard for you to mess up, and you just want to go along with your natural eyebrow hairs and just fill them in. One thing I really like about this eyebrow product is that it's not too pigmented, so it doesn't really make your eyebrows look unrealistic. So the shade that I usually use is Espresso, which is perfect because it goes with the natural color of my eyebrows. So after drawing out the natural hairs, I like to go in with the spoolie just to make sure that I'm fading everything out and just blending my natural eyebrow hairs with the pigment. Then I'm just gonna go in with the brush that I use for concealer and just curve this part out. Then I'm just gonna use whatever's left on the brush to cover the discoloration on my eyelids. Then I like to use the sponge to blend it out. This is going to help neutralize your eyelids. So because we're not using any eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and set that concealer with this setting powder, and this is gonna help absorb those oils from the concealer so that it can last on your skin all day long. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara. I'm using this L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. This mascara literally lengthens your lashes, so if you're going for an everyday makeup routine, it's perfect because it's a lengthening mascara, so it literally makes your eyelashes look longer than they actually are. So what I like to do for mascara is I like to start at the bottom and just lift up my eyelash hairs. This is going to give you the full volume effect if you start at the bottom and bring it upwards. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and put on lashes. I love these Kiss So Wispy lashes. They're like literally one of my favorite lashes. They're affordable, but they're very natural, so they're great for like everyday makeup looks. They just have that really nice full volume, but it's not too much, so you can wear them with full glams or natural makeup looks. All right, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of glow into my skin. So I'm gonna use this Revolution highlighter Reloaded, and I love this highlighter because it gives my skin a really nice glow without making it look powdery and ashy. So I'm just gonna apply this on the highest points of my cheekbones. You always want to avoid placing highlighter on textured skin, so if you have texture around that area, you definitely want to skip the highlighter part because highlighter tends to accentuate texture on your skin. So I'm gonna place a little bit on my forehead as well and on my nose. Now I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. I feel like lip liner is a must with any type of makeup look. Like, it just changes how your lips look. So I'm gonna use this Rare Beauty Kind Words matte lip liner in the shade Strong. So I basically like to overline my bottom lips and fill them in a little bit. Then for my top lips, I like to just line them exactly how they are because I don't like my top lip being bigger than my bottom lip. Then for lips, my go-to lip product is this Fenty Slip Shine lipstick, the perfect everyday type of lipstick. And I love this shade Makeup Break because it's very natural on the skin, so it literally looks like you just have on lip gloss. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. A big thank you to Flip for partnering with me in today's video. And if you're someone who loves a good soft glam makeup look, then watch this video right here.
KLJ, welcome to a channel where it's poppin'.